What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new, and if you are new, hit subscribe down below to stay tuned whenever I upload a new video, which is every week on Sunday. I'm really excited for today's video because we're about to go carve some pumpkins, which is a perfect fall activity, and I'm just excited about the weekend ahead, so let's dive in. Oh my gosh! Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be filming a weekend in my life. Today is Friday, and what's on the agenda for tonight, it's like after 5 right now. Yeah, it's almost 5:30, and we are about to go to Angela's mom's and carve pumpkins, which is so exciting. We do this every year. It's an annual event, pumpkin carving and painting, because I don't like carving, so I'm going to be painting mine. And I actually just got out all of my painting supplies right here, ready to go. So I'm excited. And then tomorrow, weather permitting, hopefully it doesn't rain too much, we are supposed to be detailing Angela's mom's car and Angela's dad's car both in one day. Because every year for Mother's and Father's Day, we give our parents a car detail that we come to their house and do, and we haven't given them theirs this year. So that's on the docket for tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, Angelo's cousin actually recently got engaged, which is very exciting. So we're going to a little mini engagement party for her and her new fiance. We're going to meet him for the first time, so that's cool. That is, I think, everything that we have planned for this weekend. It's going to be busy but fun. And right now, I'm just getting all of our stuff ready to go pumpkin carving, so let's go. Alright, you guys, here's my fit for the night. I have on just a cozy outfit, so I have on my little quilted sweatshirt, leggings, my UGG slide dupes, and of course, if you didn't see in my fall haul, the cutest socks ever. I gotta balance on one foot to show you guys. They have a little bee. So now I'm just waiting for Angela to walk in the door from class, and we are off.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
We just got back from detailing Angela's mom's car, and it's 1 p.m. later than we had hoped, so we're gonna wait to do his dad's car until later tonight. It's gonna be an evening detail. Hopefully that'll be okay, we'll see. And right now we are getting ready for the engagement party I told you guys about and having lunch because I'm freaking starving. So I'm about to make some leftovers. I think I'm gonna have beef ramen stir fry, and then we're gonna get ready for the party. I'm gonna redo my nails because look, you guys, not good. Anyway, I'm gonna do my nails, wash my hair, the whole shebang, and put on a cute outfit. So let's have some lunch.
And all my friends always stay feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to come down, 'cause nothing feels the same without.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. And we stayed out later than we thought at the engagement party last night because it was just so fun, and we got to catch up with all of our family, which was really nice. So we didn't end up doing Angelo's dad's car, which means we're doing it this morning. It just stopped raining, so I think we're getting ready to go and get that done. So I'll be excited to show you. I'm just bringing you guys along to get ready with me. We gotta fix his hair. We gotta, oh gosh, we gotta do all the things. But yeah, we had a really fun night. We, after the engagement party, had a late night car picnic and had our favorite restaurant, Tony's Coney's. It's kind of a local spot here in Columbus, and that's what we got for dinner. So I'll insert a photo here. We got burgers, coney dogs, fries, onion rings. We were just feeling that kind of vibe. And yeah, that was pretty much our night last night, and now we're starting Sunday. So after we detail the car, I kind of want to do a mini Sunday refresh as well, or Sunday reset, I guess, where I kind of clean up, tidy the house, plan for the week, plan for next weekend, do all of those kind of things just to get us started on the right foot for this week. So let's start with getting ready, and then we'll go detail the car.
Something easier to feel, but you can't put out the fire in my soul. My heart will roam like water, searching for a groove, and I found it in the verse of your mystic road. I wanna flow, flow, flow with the river. Flow, flow, flow downstream. I wanna flow, flow, flow with the river, because I know, oh yes I know, she carries me. Take all the gold in Egypt down to Mexico and buy a big old house for all the world to see.
Alright, you guys, it's been a long day, but we're finally done detailing the car. It took forever. We got done at 4 p.m. So our day is mostly over, but we're still going to clean up a little bit and get our minds right for Monday. So first things first, I have to shower. I can't even sit down in these clothes, they're disgusting. So we're gonna shower and then clean up a little bit and get ready for the week ahead. So let's go.
And across the barren deserts, all across the globe, 'cause it was always you and your subtle majesty. I wanna flow, flow, flow with the river. I wanna flow, flow, flow downstream. I wanna flow, flow, flow with the river, because I know, oh yes I know, she carries me.
Alright y'all, we DoorDashed some dinner because I'm super hungry. So we got some pot stickers, our favorite honey walnut chicken combo with lo mein. This is so good, you guys. I can't even tell you how good it is. This is an egg roll for me, and then we have crab rangoon for Angelo, and of course a wonton soup because it's so good. And then I got a surprise item. I'm excited to show you guys. Let's eat. Oh my